Well, you might be wondering what that is. Well, that's my knee. And it's no ordinary knee. It's an arthritic knee. Even though it's just one compartment of the three compartments of the knee that's bone on bone, the doctor talked me into a full knee replacement. I really, really wanted to believe it was a partial knee replacement, and I was told I was a candidate, the perfect candidate for a partial knee replacement. But then I went to a fourth doctor, and he talked me into a full knee replacement, saying I waited too long. My knee was starting to, the upper bone, the upper leg bone, I'm not sure what that's called, starting to move over, slide over because of the one side that's worn bone on bone. And he said he would never be able to straighten that or get the alignment right in a partial knee replacement. He said he would do a partial knee replacement if I want it, but he said I'd probably be back in 2, 3, 4 years. That's the way he put it, getting a total knee replacement. So, lo and behold, he talked me into a full knee replacement, a total knee replacement, TKR. 2 days ago, I went and had an MRI, and they took all the measurements, and now it takes 4 to 6 weeks to get the knee made, to make a new knee. Everybody gets their own knee, their custom knee. And then in a month and a half, we're going to go under the knife and put it in, I guess.
For once, I'm confident of success with Dino and Frank.